All right, so for sure, another picture now.
¿Qué es el número uno?
Well, no, el número uno is what I'm going to show you right here.
Bien.
Where is it? This says, in honor of Canada's recent nationwide legalization of marijuana, Miss Canada 2019 wore a giant weed leaf. I want to know how much controversy this way, cause. Everett.
None. Canada, none of time, man.
So this is what she wore as her costume. A giant weed leaf. As I said, I wonder how much controversy that will cause. So that is our first hot topic.
That's our first hot topic, the weed leaf.
The second one is what now?
Well, the House of Representatives has agreed to temporary measures which will allow for extended periods for parties during the week and on weekends. So the bill temporarily amends the Noise Abatement Act up to January 31.
I have a question.
Yes.
Did I not hear a couple moons ago that they're going to find like an entertainment area kind
Entertainment
of
zones.
Yeah. So
I think they've identified them, but it's still...
One was out of Palisades or something, so?
Yeah.
Where, in other words, no homes are close to these areas and you can party till you're sick, no?
Yeah.
That was the idea?
That was the idea.
So that's not happening anymore?
Somebody said Neville V is in the background taller than the Christmas tree. That was the idea, but I don't think the zones have yet been approved. And also, even if they have the zones, there still probably wouldn't be enough to accommodate all the parties that would happen during the holidays. Because remember, even people at them house may want to have a gathering and so on.
Yeah.
So what they've done is, on weekdays, they've extended the time until 2 a.m.
On weekdays, so what was it on weekdays before?
Midnight. Yes.
So then the party didn't start?
Well,
all right, I am
2
coming to work at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
And there's a place, everybody know the liquor, there's a place, and I'm serious, when I'm coming at 4 o'clock, people are just driving into the party. There's
well,
and I see it all the time. I mean, Thursday night, Sunday night, I see it all the time.
On weekends, they have moved it from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. So weekdays used to be 12, it's now 2.
But they now said...
Weekends used to be 2, it's now 4.
And then they say no parties can go until 6 if there are no complaints from residents. So them say it can go till 6 o'clock if nobody no call police. Well, yeah.
Police will continue to monitor the parties and respond to calls from citizens who are affected by high decibels, which means that even though they've extended the time, they have not said increase the decibels.
Yeah, you can't
so
turn
if
it
you're
up
in there
too
till
loud.
what time and it's loud, people call police.
But it's like the people them say it have a loud for them enjoy it. And then as loud as it is, you just see two man lean up on the big box fast asleep. I will never understand that. And the box and thump down car and alarm and go off. I just see two man.
Well, it's amazing because it's one of the move was supported
by everybody.
By everybody, opposition, everybody.
All right.
So we move on.
This is Mrs. Anne-Marie Vaz. Apparently, she lost her United States visa also. She qualified for a U.S. diplomatic visa as the wife of a government minister. But with her husband's visa being revoked, her visa was subsequently withdrawn. And apparently when she went to renew the visa that she had, her visitor's visa, which expired, that application was declined also. So we will hear more about that, I'm sure.
Action Anna fix up Portland, nice, so she all right.
Yeah, I'm sure.